Hello friends, let us see another problem. What is the given data? A canal having side slopes 1:1 proposed to be constructed in a cohesive soil to a depth of 5 meters below the ground surface. The properties are given below. Okay, phi value given, C value given, E. Okay, G is also given. So did they mention anything about gamma value? No, right? So first we have to find out gamma saturation. Why? See the question. What you have to find? When the canal is full of water, what we have to find? We have to find factor of safety with respect to cohesion. That means Sn will be equal to C divided by F into gamma into H. So in a saturated condition, so what is the value you have to consider? In the place of gamma, you have to consider gamma dash. In the sudden drawdown condition, you have to use gamma dash. And also you have to use weighted average. That will be equal to gamma dash divided by gamma saturation into phi. Already we have seen in the previous case. So for that, first we have to find out what is the gamma saturation. Gamma saturation, what is the formula? G plus C by 1 plus C into gamma W. What is the G value? 2.6 in plus G plus C, right? What is the G value? 2.6 by 1. G plus C divided by 1 plus C into gamma W 9.81. Then you will get it as 17.9 kilonewton per meter cube. Then what about the gamma dash? 17.9 minus 9.81. Then you will get it as 8.1 kilonewton per meter cube. So that's it. If there is a, what is the A condition? Canal is full of water. What is the stability number? 0.08. 0.08. That will be equal to C value is given as 12 divided by F into what is the effective weight density? 8.1 into what is the height? 5. That implies you are getting factor of safety as 3.7. In the second case, if you find the weighted average, that means 5W. What is the gamma dash? 8.1. Gamma saturation 17.9 into 5. What is the phi value given? 15 degrees. That will be equal to 6.8. So in the 6.8, what is the Sn value? 0.126. That implies 0.126. That will be equal to C is 12 divided by F into, if it is a sudden drawdown, here you have to use the gamma saturation. What is gamma saturation? 17.9 into what is the height? 5. So from this, what is the factor of safety? You will get it as 1.06. See, if it is a submerged, what is the factor of safety? 3.7. If it is a sudden drawdown, factor of safety is 1.06. So your factor of safety is reduced to how many times? Nearly 3 times. So wherever there is a sudden drawdown, that is very, very, very disaster case. There is a probability that most cases failure will occur. So that's why we have to be taken. So if it is a submerged condition, we have to use the gamma dash. If it is a sudden drawdown, we have to use the gamma saturation. Please remember these points. Thank you.